Okay, I have to fiddle with this around for a bit. The knife wasn't working, but maybe if the adhesive is coming off, maybe a piece of tape might help. And I think, I don't know if you can see, back up a little. It's kind of, this might work to lift it up, see? It is coming out though. There you go. There you go. So I didn't have to use a blade under there. Let me back this up a little bit. Pulled it right off with tape because the solvent actually worked on this. I guess I could, the tape's still on here, it looks like most of it. So what's cool is, for the most part, this bezel, let me stick this to the side. This bezel looks like it's basically ready to go. I'll just run a pass through of the cleaner around there and make sure it's clean, and then I'll drop in the new insert. So pretty easy peasy there, huh? And I don't know if it would have done it sooner, but I didn't have to wait 24 hours. I waited, this time it's set right, but I waited about, I started about 8 in the morning or so, and right now it's about 3 p.m. And yeah, so 6-7 hours ish, and there we go. No damage to it, it seems. So very good. I'm gonna just take a Q-tip, just kind of run it through with the a little bit of that solvent, just to kind of clean it up, make sure there's no gunk in there, and then I'll wash and dry it up, and then once that's nice and clean, I'm gonna drop in the new bezel, and then there we go. Cool.